Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve computer architecture week assignment number 4. At first you can see here I have provided answers of week assignment number 1, 2 and 3, and we scored 90 in week number 1, week number 200, week number 3rd 100. So let's solve week number 4. So dear, this week consists of in total of 10 number of questions. So we will solve it from question number 1. Consider the following ARM assembly instruction IDR R1 R0. If the value obtained from the address stored in R0 is V, then we need to fetch the bytes from dash to dash from memory and save them in R1. So the answer for this question will be option number D, that is none of the options. Okay. Question number 2 is in the ARM ISA we have a dash bit to specify if the return address needs to be saved or not for branch instructions. Options are L link, S status, I instruction, and D none of the options. So option A, that is L link, will be the correct answer for this question. Question number 3 is the x86 ISA has dash floating point registers and the register dash is always on the top of the stack. So the answer for this question will be option number A, that is 8 and ST0. Okay. Question number 4 is in the ARM ISA the effective memory address is computed after updating the base address in the dash addressing mode with up to update. So options are pre-indexed, post-indexed, register indirect, and none of the options. So the answer will be post-indexed. Okay, that is option number B. Question number 5 is in the 86 processor the local descriptor table LDT is typically local to a process, program, user, none of the options. So the answer will be typically local to a process, that is option number A. Question number 6 is in the 86 ISA the fixed offset used while specifying the effective address of a memory operand is known as the displacement, scaled index, base address, none of the options. So the appropriate answer for this question will be option number A, that is displacement. Question number 7 is the 86 ISA is a dash ISA. Options are CISC, RISC, VLIW, and none of the options. So it is of CISC ISA. Okay, that is option number A. Question number 8 is in the 86 ISA if the memory operand of an instruction is of the form EAX plus ECX to the power 2, then the addressing mode is base scaled index, base scaled index offset, base offset, yeah, none of the options. So the answer will be option number A, that is base scaled index. Okay. So students, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it for getting upcoming week answers and like the video if it helps you, and it's my request to please share it with needy ones. Okay. So 2 more questions are remaining. Question number 9 is which of the following statement is incorrect for the 86 ISA. So we have to choose incorrect one. Options or statements are both the operands can be a register. At most, one of the operands can be memory location. Option C is both the operands can be an immediate value, and option D is none of the options. So the answer will be option C, that is both operands can be an immediate value. Last question is in the ARM ISA the BL instruction saves the return address into the dash register. Options are IR register, SP register, FP register, and IP register. So the answer for the question will be IR register. That is in option number A. So now submit it. Thanks for watching the video.